Okay, well, it's not quite 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'm already hearing some bugs buzzing around. I don't want them bugging me later, so it looks like it's going to be sunny at least for a while. Probably going to rain this afternoon, thunderstorms, but for the first part of the day, it's going to be sunny and beautiful. And so I think I'll go ahead and put up the screen room. Plus, last time I put it up, which was the first time I put it up, it took me forever. It took me way too long to figure it out. Of course, no instructions. I wasn't real satisfied how I put it up. The way it was sealed against the van, just the way I staked it down, the whole thing just wasn't quite right, but not bad for the first time. Here the second time, I'm sure it's going to go more quickly, and it's going to be a much better installation on here. So it is the, this bag here is the ARB mosquito net room, 2500 by 2500, which is about 8'2" by 8'2", which is what my awning is. So let's see how I do this time. I'm guessing it's going to be a little better. I hope. We'll see. I'll do a time lapse. Let's see how I do. Okay, that definitely went up easier than last time, and it's much better. The situation, the way it's situated, and now I've got it, I'm sure you can see, oh, there's a rock underneath that stake, God damn it. Anyway, now I've got it to where I can open this door, should I choose, which I choose. And I'm going to tighten this up with some magnets, because you can see there's a gap there where I can put my hand, so a smart bug could get through there, but I've got some magnets this time. I'm going to shore this up a little bit. Anyway, went up very well this time. I ended up putting it up backwards the first time. I don't know if you can tell in the time lapse, that went pretty quickly, but there's a little channel you got to slide this through. I put it in and realized, oops, backwards, but no big deal. Turn it around, slid it back through. Easily done by one person. Anyway, it is up now. I can take my chair back inside. So now I have a screen room. How fantastic is that? This funky little thing down here. Might have this pulled a little tight there, but I'll keep most of them out. Very pleased. Alright, I think you can see this. This is that gap I was talking about. Last time I had this pulled down here and it was right here, so it made it difficult to open the door. But this time I have some magnets all stuck together. These are cool neodymium high power magnets with little hooks. The hooks do unscrew. I'll leave them in for now. I normally just use them for hooks inside the vehicle. Hang a bunch of stuff on. So let's see how it does holding this up here like this. Hey, pretty damn good. I'd say about like so. It's pretty darn good. There's still a little tiny gap up here. I don't know if I even want to mess with it. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, good tip. Don't put these directly on the paint. Jesus. Okay. Now, look at that. Hey, problem solved. Put one of these around on the other side. I was going to see if I needed a magnet over here, but you can see this is actually a sliding door here. So I don't want to lose the ability to open and close the door by putting a magnet here. Plus it's nice and tight anyway. I suppose a smart bug could still get behind the sliding door and get in, but oh well. If I pulled this down a little bit more, come around here, but that's going to make the zippered entrance into the van a little too far over, I think. So I'm not going to do that.